And the ducks help me round up the chickens. Watch it. Come on. Go on in. Go, tell them birds to go in. Tell the birds to go in the cage. Come on. Keep going. Keep on going. And don't you stay behind. Everybody in. Everybody in. Come on, everybody in. That's my engine. No, hey, don't. We're going in. Hey, I told you. No, you see the ducks? The ducks are being good. Go in. Go on in. Go on in. Go on. Go in. No, you. All right. Go on in. You too. Go on, ducks. Go in the cage. Go on. Go in. You got it. Good job. Get everybody in. I know there's food there. Come on. Gotta move. All right. And I guess that's how you herd birds.